Hello guys, welcome to GIS, and today we are making a production map where we have to join our production data to the save file of any area or location. So at first add your save file. Here I am using map of Nepal. Here is my district save file, and let me make it hollow. Okay, now we have to join our production data to this map. So let's see this data, and here you can see district names. We have to join this data to this map and see attribute table of the save file. Here also you can see district name in the same way as written in the production data. Okay, one category must be same, exactly same. So now we are adding that production data. If the names are not same, then it won't read that data and we can't join them. Okay, so make sure they are same. Okay. After joining it, now just we have to join this data to the district. So right click on that and go to join and relate and join. So here we can see join attribute from a table, choose the field which you have to join. So here we are choosing joining on the based district names. So in this it will automatically show which is same as that of we select in upper column. So after that we have to export this. At first just check it, and now it's joined already, you can see, and now we have to export this data. Just click OK, and do you want to add a S? So let's make it hollow, and this is our final map. We don't need this now, so I'm removing it. Okay, now we have to work on this. So at first just let me see, here is our final data. Okay, now we are comparing production data of 2 years, so just copy it and paste on layer. Now just insert new data frame where we will be adding data of 2073. Okay, now just adjust it to the bottom. Now we will be copying 2073 and paste it in new data frame and remove the